If you have other social media accounts and you wish to link them to your Substack account, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to link your social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, or even TikTok is pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Substack account, and once you are here, go ahead and tap on your profile icon and then go down to settings. Under settings, go ahead and tap on your profile here, and this will open more details about your account. Scroll down to social links. Here you can see you can connect or link other social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, just to mention but a few. For instance, I wish to link my TikTok account, so I'll just tap on TikTok, enter my TikTok username, so I'll enter like that, and then tap on the check mark here and finally save. So this will go ahead and fetch your TikTok username or social media account username and add it. As you can see, now my TikTok has successfully been linked to Substack. You can go ahead and link other accounts by following these steps. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.